and welcome to my little slice of heaven. I live here in Port Orchard, Washington, and I am just all about plants, natural remedies, getting hands-on with projects that bring me closer to doing the things that I love. If you're into the idea of slowing down and making things from scratch, you're in the right place. So, a little bit about me. I live here in, my area. I live here in the Pacific Northwest, Zone 9A. There's just so much to explore around here. Local plants that I would like to do lots of experiments with. Yarrow, Oregon grape, willow, cedar. I'd like to ferment some spruce tips this year, and just learn how to use them in everyday life. So, speaking of many things, I like cooking from scratch, and I'm talking about like at the very beginning. I like to, whether it's making bread, crafting butter, I like to make my own coffee creamer, which I've been recently getting into and got some pretty good reviews. Canning fruits and vegetables. We're going to get a little adventurous too, as far as the fermentation goes. I have been recently researching different things to ferment, and I'm trying to make some beer out of it. So we'll kind of explore that as well. I got my trusty alembic still right here, and I use that a lot to make hydrosols and just capture different essences of herbs. It's one of my favorite tools, and I cannot wait to show you how it works and get into it. So, with this and the hydrosols that we'll make, I'm also into making things like salves, teas, tinctures, just simple natural remedies that make life better. I'm not going to do any of that today. Well, actually, I am going to do a rosemary hydrosol video today, but that's going to be a second video. I just wanted to get on here and introduce myself, tell you what my channel is going to be about. If you're into plants, cooking from scratch, fermentation experiments, getting creative with everyday projects, I would love for you to stick around, subscribe, drop me a comment, and let's have some fun figuring this stuff out together. Thank you. See you guys later.